Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be talking about Turing, what Turing really is, how to get a Turing project, where to get these jobs, and generally what you are to expect while making a Turing application, where you're supposed to apply for Turing. This is a complete guide. So if you're seeing this video, just relax, watch, and it's going to be very educative. Right off the bat, what is Turing? Turing is not just an AI company. You want to see Turing as a gateway to tech, AI, and like a lot of opportunities. Turing helps to connect experts to leading AI labs and Fortune 500 companies. So you can get a Silicon Valley level job like at any location because you know what? Turing hires like experts all around the world. So irrespective of what qualifications you have, you are like allowed to go through Turing vacancies, look for something you can apply for. And I'm also going to be telling you another way you can make money from Turing even without working. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's jump into my computer. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come to work.turing.com. So you have to go to this website and it's going to take you to a page where you're going to see a lot of jobs. I just want to show you how it will appear for you if you've not created your account. So here you can go ahead and sign up here. Another thing you can do is to come to your application from this point and it's going to give you a page where you're going to sign up. I'm going to go in my account in a bit because I don't want to create a duplicate account, but I'm just showing you what to expect when you click on this. Now you can go ahead and just click on this, the video, um, the annotator video and media processing. And when you click on apply, you see it's going to now take us to a page where we can now sign up since we don't have an account. So when we sign up, it's going to take us to a place where we're going to fill our CV, our LinkedIn link. We're going to put our experience, just regular setup page. And I believe a lot of you can set up that one yourself. But if you have any questions in the process, please leave it in the comment. I'll be here to help you. So when you set up your account, now I'm diving to my own dashboard and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do. So now you can see my dashboard and what I want you to do when you set up your account. Now for that particular job that made you, start the process, you're going to make application for that, but it doesn't end there. And this is where I feel like a lot of people make mistakes while applying for Turing roles. You don't have to make one application and stop. So you can now navigate to your job section because you now have a dashboard. So you can go ahead and click on your job session. And when we come to the job session, you're going to see a lot of jobs that are available. Now, I'm going to be telling you a bit, some guides, some helpful tips on how to get these projects. But the first and the most important thing I want you to put in mind is that you need to be qualified for this project. So you have to scroll through this. So if you're a technical expert, you can also use the search skill. So go ahead and search that your programming language. For example, let me just put JavaScript. Let me just put Java. You can see a lot of Java related gigs will show up here, but that is not what I want to do. I'm just going to clear this out. So now if you are a generalist, this is a generalist role because if you click on it, you're going to see the description does not really have any technical requirements. It's basically like for everybody because if you can, understand, write English and you can pay attention, you see, these are basically anything anyone can do. So, like we said, you just need to come to work.turing.com, go through these, and you are going to see a lot of vacancy. Now, this is a company I've worked for in the past, and I can tell you for a fact, Turing is an awesome company. A lot of people from this YouTube channel also have worked with Turing in the past, so they really do pay. Now you set up your account, you've seen different jobs, and you've made application. You are going to be given an assessment. Sometimes you're going to be moved also to an interview. And when you pass through these different phases, please don't use AI or look for any external help. Just do what you can do. And if you're qualified for the project, you're going to be contacted by the team. Now, after finishing this phase, the next thing you're going to be moved on to is an onboarding process. That is when you're shortlisted. Ideally, you are going to be moved to an onboarding process and you're going to be provided a space to fill your ID verification, your name, and your particulars. So for Nigerians, there's a lot of issue when you use NIN. So be cleared, you need to use your international passport or a driver's license. For any other country you're watching from, just go ahead and use a valid ID card and set up your profile. And you can start working and contributing to these projects and earn up to $100 per hour for some particular gigs. Now, if I move into some of the helpful tips and some things I want you guys to note during your Turing application or your Turing journey, let me show you another way you can make money without actively working. Now, when you come to these gigs, there's something very interesting here. You can see some bonuses here. Now, these bonuses become ready when the person you refer has worked up to 10 hours worth of work. So you just go, for example, you know someone that speaks Japanese and can work on this project. What you're going to do, you're going to click on this role, then you're going to click this place that shows share. Now, when you click on this, it is going to give you a personalized referral link, and you're going to copy this link and you share this to your network or to the person that you know that can speak this language. So this is quite easy. Go ahead and share it to your group chats, to your friends, to your working colleagues, and they can work in. Again, Turing is a completely remote. You can work completely remote in these positions, and you can do them on the side. So they can go ahead and apply for this. And when they work up to 10 hours, you get paid these bonuses. Now, a lot of people have complained that when they make application for Turing and they get shortlisted, they are not contacted by the team. And I've spoken with some of the team members on this issue, and I hope they do something about it. Maybe find a better wording instead of using shortlisting so that you don't put people's hope high. So basically, when it shows shortlisting, the client still has the final decision if they really need more people to participate in that work or not. If the project is wrapping up, sometimes the team at Turing does not have like direct input on that. So I just feel like there's a better way to put that. Let's say maybe still being in review until when it's shortlisted, we are sure that yes, you're inviting us to the project. Another thing I've seen that makes a lot of people not get projects is that they do their exams or their tests in very distracting areas, or they use AI or something that compromises the quality of their test. So when you are doing your Turing onboarding test, please make sure you do it in a quiet place. Use a computer, use a very good network so that you don't have issues where the video or some projects are video related and your test may be to judge a video, and when you click on it you don't want to have issues where your video does not load or any technical issue. So go ahead and use a very good network, if possible a good computer, and start your assessment and do your best in those assessments. Now for my next tip I have for you, it is simple. Come to this newest tab. When you come to this newest tab, especially if you're a generalist for or you're looking for something that doesn't take a lot of hard work to get, come to the newest tab and make sure you check this on like timely intervals, maybe daily, 2 days, or every weekend. Just go ahead and check the newest, and you can see some newest jobs that were posted here. So most likely before these jobs are newly advertised, it means these positions actively need people to work on them. So go ahead and make your application for these newest positions. Now, another thing I want you guys to take note: if you are a STEM expert, there is currently a campaign. They're looking for STEM experts from different domains. So you can just come here and search your particular field of expertise. So let's say biology. You can just write biology here, and you're going to see STEM related biology, different roles that you can apply for. You can do the same with physics, you can do the same with chemistry. So when you just search for this, we are going to see a lot of. So you can also try legal, just try these different keywords. So if you're a PhD expert, go ahead and try this out. So this is completely what Turing is all about, connecting experts to leading AI labs and Fortune 500 companies. So go ahead and make your application for Turing today, and hopefully you get shortlisted and start contributing to the development and advancement of technology. Thanks guys for watching. See you in another video.